Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. In this video we will look at the premium and amazing Samsung Galaxy Book 2 laptop. Samsung Galaxy Book 2. With the Galaxy Book 2, Samsung delivered a 2-in-1 with enough power to muscle through daily office work. The Galaxy Book 2 15 is a new multimedia laptop that is equipped with the latest components from Intel. This 2-in-1 had performance and power in a neat little package. The Galaxy Book 2 peeks beyond the Windows boundaries and tried to integrate the essence of Galaxy into it. Samsung has heavily emphasized making it a part of their ecosystem from their smartphones and tablets. So, what's it like to use a laptop in day-to-day life? Is it a good buy or just another Windows laptop? Let's find out in our detailed review. Design. Samsung is known for making some really striking designs when it comes to smartphones. And that seems to continue with the Galaxy Book 2 as well. The Galaxy Book 2 is a relatively lightweight and compact device with a sharp and to-the-point design. It has got a clean design with just a Samsung logo on the lid. The wedge design adds to its appeal. The fit and finish of the device are also good. The laptop is made out of plastic and we notice some flex on the keyboard deck and the lid. Display. Galaxy Book 2 is equipped with a 15.6-inch Full HD display. It comes with an IPS LCD panel. The panel quality is good with vivid colors, sharpness, and details. The brightness level and viewing angles are also acceptable. Performance. The Galaxy Book 2 is a laptop for students and working professionals. It is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor paired with 15GB RAM and 512GB storage. On paper, it may not sound much, but it is a very capable combination. Intel Core i5s are known for their balanced nature of offering good performance efficiency. Also, the onboard 16GB RAM helps with multitasking performance as well as resource-hungry applications and tasks. In our test, the laptop performed well and no unnecessary lag or stutter was noticed. Also, we ran a couple of editing tools like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, etc. on the laptop. Thanks to 16GB of RAM and faster storage, everything was smooth. The laptop comes with Windows 11 pre-installed along with a long list of Samsung apps and services. Keyboard. The keyboard of Galaxy Book 2 is spacious. Keys are well separated and have good travel time. They also provide really clean feedback when pressed. We can call them one of the best in this price segment. Trackpad. The trackpad is big and accurate. Trackpads aren't the strongest suite for Windows laptops, but the Galaxy Book 2 can break that perception. The tracking is precise, accurate, and responsive. Plus, it also supports all Windows 11 gestures. Connectivity. Moving to the ports, Samsung has included ample of them, or at least the ones that are important. For starters, the laptop comes with a USB Type-C port along with a couple of Type-A ports. Then there's an HDMI port as well. Battery. Galaxy Book 2 under mixed usage easily lasted for around 6.5 hours. That's also the reason that makes it a good laptop for students and working professionals. Conclusion. Samsung entered the laptop market in India with the Galaxy Book 2 lineup. And the Galaxy Book 2 is one of the most important laptops of the series. The Galaxy Book 2 is a capable thin and lightweight laptop with a large 15.6-inch screen. It takes the center stage and offers a middle ground of price, performance, and battery life. So, if you are looking for a good laptop for education or daily work purpose, then the Galaxy Book 2 is worth a look. The Galaxy Book 2 would get eclipsed by feature-rich laptops in its segment, but it is a good package in its own right. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.